Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jrdigital.com. In this video, we'll take a look at EasyFlipBook. Now, in the nutshell guys, this is a brand new cloud-based app or software that will let you guys create flipbooks. Now, with this software or app, you can create flipbook from a PDF or from your ebook. You can create flipbook from images. You can create flipbook from just the text, and then you can create a flipbook from subscribers list. Right now, as you can see, I'm inside of the members area of EasyFlipBook guys. Now, before I'm gonna walk you through inside here how this works, how you can easily create flipbook guys. Now, if you don't know what is flipbook, let me show you an example of the flipbook that I created a while ago using this app right here. Alright guys, so this is the example of the ebook or the flipbook that I created a while ago using EasyFlipBook, right? And this is from the PDF that I uploaded from this software, which is really powerful. It actually took me like 5 seconds for me to be able to create this flipbook right here. It's a great way to present your content that will help your readers, that will help your customers to take action, because you create a presentation like this using a flipbook or using this EasyFlipBook right here. Alright guys, now let me show you first my bonuses guys. That way when you guys pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video, you'll get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with EasyFlipBook. So my bonus number 1, I'm gonna show you. So when you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will take you that to my bonus page right here. And we scroll down right here, this is where you access to all of my bonuses. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you guys access to this Mac app and graphic design software that will let you create a product cover like this, or a Mac app bundle, Mac app product cover bundle like this. Now, product cover is a really must guys when it comes to selling product online. Now, this software can really help you guys out when it comes to creating product cover. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, I'm gonna give you guys access to 5 million plus premium royalty free HD 4K stack videos, images, vectors, animations, GIFs, audio and audio tracks, right? And then next one is I'm gonna give you guys access guys to your own Canva Pro account. And then next one is I'm gonna show you guys how I would personally use EasyFlipBook to make money with affiliate marketing. This is my no-selling system to use FlipBook to make money with affiliate marketing. Right, I have a training on how to do this to make money with affiliate marketing, to monetize your FlipBook to make money with affiliate marketing. And then I'm gonna give you guys access to the course that I created, which is gonna help you guys 5x or 10x the conversions of your traffic. This is related to affiliate marketing. I actually updated the members area. Let me show you the members area right here. Alright guys, so this is my affiliate marketing course right here. So I have this module 1, module 2. Module 1 is the sales process, module 2 is the tools and equipment that you need to use, module 3 is traffic right here, right? So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys access to this course for free as part of my bonus, right? And then I'm gonna give you guys access to all vendor bonuses. I actually talked to the creator and he allowed me guys to give away some exclusive bonuses right here. Bonus number 1, you will get access to O2 Content Machine. Bonus number 2 is Sharp Shopify plugin. Next one is Site Analyzer. Next one is this WP Single Page Builder. Next one is WP Profit Page Creator. Next one is WP Visitor Chat. Next one is Instant Affiliate Shopping Search Engine. Next one is Any Website Cloner. Next one is Simple Geo. Next one is WP Web Transformer. Next one is Easy Squeeze Page Tester. Next one is WP Pop-Up Pro. Next one is WP Copy Guard. Next one guys is WP Instant Decor. Next one is WP Viral Click. Next one is Supreme Affiliate. Next one is Auto Spinner, Multi Commission all-in-one plugin for affiliates, and then Soshi, Bosnor, um, Viral. I'm gonna put a link in my bonus page, guys. That way you can see all of those. I'm gonna put the link somewhere right here. I'm gonna add in a link right here, guys. That way you can see all of those bonuses that you can also get access, right? Because it will take us a lot of time, you know, reading all these bonuses right here, right? So I'm just gonna put a link in my bonus page right here. Alright guys, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up EasyFlipBook, through the link down in the description of this video. So when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you guys to the sales page right here. So this is the sales page of EasyFlipBook. The headline says a brand new app auto creates fully functional flipbooks in a flash that you can sell and keep 100% of the profit. You can actually make money with this, guys, by selling this as a service to different kind of freelance marketplaces like Fiverr or People Per Hour or Upwork.com, and there are thousands of people doing the same thing and they're making money with this method, right? So yeah, I'm gonna show you the members area or the dashboard of this app right here. So once you log into your app, you can see the total flipbooks that you've created, the flipbooks created by PDF, the flipbook created by images, the flipbook created by text right here. Now if you wanted to create a flipbook, all you have to do is click on this flipbook right here and then choose which type of flipbook that you wanted to create. So let's say you have an ebook and you wanted to convert that ebook into a flipbook. All you have to do is click on this flipbook by PDF, and all you have to do is just upload or click on this flipbook by PDF and just click on this choose file. Alright, so I'm gonna choose this PDF right here. I'm gonna click on this open right here, and all you have to do is name your ebook. Let's say profit. The name of this ebook is Insta Profit Magnet. Alright, and I'm gonna click on the save right here. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, guys. All you have to do is look for that flipbook that we've created. This is the ebook that we've created right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this icon right here, and then it will let us preview this flipbook that we've created right here. Alright, so this is the exact flipbook that I showed you a while ago. Alright, now you're not just limited to PDF. You can create a flipbook just by using an image right here. Click on this flipbook by image. All you have to do is click on flipbook by image, upload your image right here, and then click on the flipbook by text. You can create a flipbook by text right here, and all you have to do is type in your text right here, and then you can create a flipbook by subscribers list right here. All you have to do is to create your flipbook with your subscribers list right here by uploading a CSV, an Excel, or a PDF right here. Alright, and then there's also inbuilt done for you content creator. So if you wanted to, if you don't want to write yourself with content, then you can use the software to use this to to auto generate a done for you content that you can use for your to promote product or whatever offer that you wanted to promote or to sell. And then this comes with this is where you see all of your created content right here. So when you click on this, this will let you view all of the content that you've created right here. You can also create a marketplace right here, guys, just like Fiverr or Upwork. So if you wanted to create your own website like Fiverr, you can also do that right here. All you have to do is click on this art marketplace, and this is where you see all of the list of the marketplace that you created. So let's try to view this marketplace right here. I'm gonna click on this open right here. Alright, so this is your marketplace looks like, and you can sell your own product or gig inside of your own marketplace. Right, so this is where you manage the marketplace settings. You can add your own gig. You can create a blog inside of your marketplace. You can add articles. You can create pages like homepage, about us page, contact us page. You can monetize your marketplace by placing an ads like a Google ads or a banner ads, and you can build your list by collecting email addresses like the pop-up that pops up a while ago. And affiliate settings, you can further monetize your affiliate or you can further monetize your marketplace website by by connecting this with Fiverr and by automating this with News API. All right, and then done for you ebooks library. This is where you access to this done for you ebooks that you can use, sell as your own product, and keep 100% off the profit right here. So these are premium bonuses, guys, that you can have as your own product. Training and bonuses. This is where you access all of your bonuses and some upgrades right here. You can actually learn those upgrades, guys, inside of my bonus page right here. Upgrade number 1 is this unlimited version of this. Upgrade number 2 is the FlipBook Advanced. Upgrade number 3 is the Marketplace Builder, which is I showed you a while ago. So this Marketplace Builder or Creator is part of the upgrade, by the way. And then go back right here. Upsell number 4 is Profit Stream. And then upsell number 5 is Agency. Alright, you can actually learn this upsells in my bonus page by clicking the link below this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. Those are all of the things that you can expect inside of EasyFlipBook. And if you have questions about this, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna try my best to answer all of your questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this review video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.